stand by this. I always stand by this. I don't agree. I do not agree with those who have that idea, who stand on that issue, and who believe in that stand. I don't agree. If you wait until the boundary is, identified, maybe you will not even get the state. Maybe by now Ribhoi is gone or West is gone. I don't believe in that. How will you club together the issue of identification of boundary and issue of statehood? If you wait for identification or solution of boundary and let state come later, maybe it will be cancelled also. Statehood may be cancelled also. So therefore, I do not agree. At least you carve the state first, have the state first, accept the state first, then go on. Then you can resume the discussion on that, or work out as to how the boundaries can be determined and all that. But once again I say, in respect of the time factor, statehood and finalization or demarcation of boundary do not go together. Accept the statehood first. The leaders had done the right thing by accepting the state and then resolve the boundary issue later.